Yes, guys, we will send this model to Twinmotion. I'm using the latest version of Twinmotion, which is version 2025.1. When you open the Epic Games launcher, you can use Twinmotion 2025.1 from the Twinmotion tab here. There are different versions available here, but I want to tell you that you need to have the 2025.1 version and a graphics card that supports ray tracing. When you press the start button, the engine will start. Guys, just like this. This is the main screen of Twinmotion. I will show you through the main screen. This way you will better understand the process and what it does. So, I will show you through the model. Guys, look at our main screen here. There are some models available. I can close these models from here. I can close the starting base section that I pressed here. Starting landscape section. I can close the back part. The starting ground section. I can close this part here. I have nothing to do with these. When I click on the import tab, I import my file by pressing the plus tab and selecting open from the open section. My garage, SketchUp, file. I said open. The settings I've made in these sections can be similar to yours. Guys, don't forget to mark these and adjust this part. When I say import my file, will come in. Having my file, B1.mb, is an advantage for me. Look, it has come here very easily. If you want to, you can add a vehicle right away to make this place look nicer. Guys, normally, to adjust the camera speed, look, right now the camera speed is getting very fast. If you press the 2 key on the keyboard slows down. The camera slows down. If you press 3, the camera speeds up a bit more, but the value of 3 is the most ideal for us. Guys, as you can see right now it's at my most ideal values. These are my camera settings, guys. The Sketchfab library here is a place where we can download all kinds of models. We can download vehicles from the car section. You can see the vehicles I've downloaded before here. Look, I've favorited these guys. Here, you can download and use any vehicle you want. Let me call a vehicle here as an example. Later on, of course, I will change the vehicle. For example, I can call a vehicle like this and drop it here. As you can see, you can use a sports car like this here. When we take a render from this angle, along with the vegetation, or let's take it from this angle. When we take the render, we will capture a nice ambience, guys. It will be a nice presentation, especially with the animation. Now let's keep this vehicle. I will show you how to change this vehicle and how to play with the textures. Here we have various vehicles. Look, there are different vehicles like Lamborghini and Nissan Scania GTR. You can use them. I will demonstrate using a vehicle, and then you will see how it shouldn't be done. Look, normally from the file section, this part, if it encounters a nice event, it should work well. Normally, when I press the down arrow here, the file should start downloading. It's not downloading right now. Why? I haven't logged in. I need to log into Epic Games here. When I log into Epic Games, the down arrow section here will open up. Guys, look, the down arrow, it's opened. They opened up, they came at once. As you can see, I'm downloading this model by pressing the down arrow key. I can download the model I want. I can press the heart button here to add to favorites. For example, let's delete this vehicle, guys. Look, where was it deleted from? The hood has been deleted. To select the entire vehicle, just go to the part that says Porsche 911. In the model list on the right and press the delete key. To download the other vehicle, you need to click and drag it and drop it here. Enough, guys. Some vehicles might seem big. You can adjust the size of the vehicles yourself. But when it seems too big, we can reduce the size of the vehicle with the scale section here. It's ideal for now. It came as a detailed vehicle, guys. Look, it's looking really nice right now. In our vehicle, look, we can select from this part, we say up. For example, when we select the area from here, let's rotate it like this. If you don't want the bottom part to be visible, we can lower it a bit, or just a little, guys. When we lower it like this, it will already be visible. Look, you can subscribe like this, but this part might be visible. Just adjust the point, where the tire meets the concrete like this. Let's leave it like this, guys. As you can see, it's like this. This name should be visible. It doesn't matter. The name of the manufacturer. We'll take a render by clicking the render button from a spot like this. Even in this current part, look, I just pressed the render button without making any adjustments, guys. I got an image like this. Of course, we can change the car. There's no problem with that. We're going to change the car. We're continuing step by step. In the next section, we'll continue by applying the textures. The texture part is completely a personal matter. It's a variable thing, depending on your perspective and your taste, guys.